Guys, when are we gonna have the conversation? Yabo Thandeka esiphila nabo. Thandeka from Big Brother. Abo Thandeka esisebenza nabo. Abo Thandeka abama relatives wethu. Abo Thandeka laba esitshe ukuthi ba ama besties. Like the narcissists in our lives in the form of Uthandeka. The triggers in our lives in the form of Uthandeka. Uthandeka is a trigger, is a narcissist, is a control freak. And the one thing as a people we've never been able to do is to address and talk honestly and openly about such people because bakhona siphila nabo. We choose to ignore them, we choose to give them space, we choose to avoid them. But abayindawo like
About South African celebrities, whenever there's issues that are serious in South Africa, they will keep quiet. When it comes to the government issues, they will never comment. But here they are on Big Brother Mzansi season 6. They are busy commenting God Thandeka, guys, and Liam. And you can see Guti, now they are de-campaigning Thandeka, guys. And people are saying, Guti, you guys want Liam win. There's nothing wrong with Liam winning the 2 million. But you celebrities need to understand that you need to participate in every issues here in South Africa, not something that has nothing to do with you. Most of these people, they are so busy. They don't even watch Big Brother, guys. They just see clips on TikToks. They are busy commenting, saying something that has nothing to do with them. So people are saying, what Crystal, you forgot. You are the same with Thandeka. Don't even come here and pretend and act as if we know you are perfect. We know you Gugu Kati, so you better keep quiet. So guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe it, so like it, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.